What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
MP Materials is soaring in after hours as they just reported some amazing Q4 and full year 2020 results. Revenue increased by 100% year over year, driven by increases in both the realized sales price of contained rare earth oxide in concentrate and in metric tons. And these higher prices are due to higher demand for rare earth materials in the world right now. The realized sales price increase of 70% was due to higher demand for rare earth oxide, driving increased market prices as well as the lifting of certain import duties in China. The 21% increase in metric tons sold was due to higher demand for REO as well as higher percentages of REO in concentrate driven by improved productivity. It's no surprise that there's a huge demand for these rare earth materials, and the US and quite frankly the world needs MP materials to succeed because currently China has a monopoly in the sector. The 100% increase in revenue is a good indicator of how bright the future is for this company. Adjusted EBITDA increased 297% year over year, driven by higher volumes and per unit profitability, partially offset by increased public company costs. The fact that they're getting higher per unit profitability means that their margins are improving, which is important and will allow MP Materials to scale their business faster. Now let's take a look at the net income. Net income increased by a factor of 23.3 year over year to 24.1 million, and adjusted net income increased by a factor of 11 year over year to 21.9 million, both mainly due to the higher adjusted EBITDA. Again, everything is pointing in the right direction here. They do talk about how a stock-based compensation impacted their fourth quarter net income, so going forward in Q1, we could expect a higher percentage increase in net income when compared to the fourth quarter of 2020. Another really important highlight of this report is the lower per unit production cost. Per unit production cost of REO declined by 28%, reflecting the increased efficiency in processing of our rare earth concentrate. If MP Materials is going to compete against China and Chinese prices, this is something that they're going to have to look at. And from what it looks like, they're doing a pretty good job at lowering the production costs. Now, there is one negative in this report, but it's not so bad and I'll explain why. Net loss totaled 21.8 million in 2020 compared to only 6.8 million in 2019. Now, on the surface, this looks really bad, but what they're saying is that this was primarily due to a non-cash settlement charge of 66 million in June 2020, which was recorded in connection with the termination of a distribution and marketing agreement. So this shouldn't happen again in the next quarters. Overall, these are some really strong results in my opinion, and I'm excited to see how the stock performs tomorrow. A part of me is hoping that we continue to see this dip in the share price so I can pick up on some more cheap shares, but I'm all out of money to buy stocks, so I might just need to wait till payday. But anyways, do leave a comment below, let me know what you think about these results and whether you're currently invested. If you do have a position in MP Materials, then go ahead and write down your average buy price. Anyways guys, on that note, I bid you farewell, have an awesome night, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.